See the next question. 8th question. Identify each pattern and write the next 4 numbers. So here the given patterns, no? So what patterns here? 2005. Here add 5s, we get the next numbers. Means here add 5s. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means here 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 2. 2010 only, no? The next number. Again we add 5 means we get the next number. And again we add 5 means we get the next number 2020. 2020 we add 5 means we get the next number. 5 plus 0, 5 only. 2 plus nothing, 2. 0 plus nothing is 0. 2 plus nothing is 2. So the next number is 2025. Similarly we get 2030. Next number 2035. And next number 2040. Understood, children, this one? Next pattern. Here we have to add the tens. Means first number what they given? 4005. Here we are adding tens means we get the next number. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus nothing is 0 only. 4 plus nothing is 4. So the next number only, no? Again we add plus 10. We get the next number. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 0. 4 plus nothing is 4. Again we add, we get 4035. 4035. 4035. Again we add 10 means we get the next number, that is 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus nothing is 0. 4 plus nothing is 4. The next number is what? 4045. Similarly we get 4055. Get the next number 4065. Next number 4075. Understood, children, this one? This one we add tens, we get the next number. See the C question. Here 2367. Here we are adding thousands, we get the next number. 2367. Add thousands. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 0, 3. And next 2 plus 1, 3, no? This is the next number only, no? Again we add 1000. We get the next number, that is 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 0, 3. And 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. We get the next number only, no? S. So after again we add thousands, we get the next number, that is 5367. Again we add 1000 to 5367. We get 7 plus 0 7, 6 plus 0 6, 3 plus 0 3, 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is the next number? 6367. Similarly we get 367. 6367. Similarly we get the next number also, that is 7000. Here increasing thousands, 367. And next number is 8367. And the next number is 9367. Understood children here up to here? So see the 9th question. Read the clues and write the numbers. Here they given clues. 10 more than 400, 4309. 10 more than means we add 10. Means here 4309 they given number. 10 more than means we add 10. So 9 plus 0 9. 1 plus 0 1. 3 plus nothing is 3. 4 plus nothing is 4. So they are asking 10 more than 4309. So this is the answer. 10 more than means we have to add the 10 number. So here 4390. Next one, 100 less than the largest 4-digit number. Here what is the largest 4-digit number? Yes, what is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. What is the largest smallest 4-digit number? That is 1000. No, this is the smallest 4-digit number. This is the largest 4-digit number. They are asking to less than. 100 less than means we subtract 100 from this number. Here see, 9 minus 0 9 only. 9 minus 0 9. And 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus nothing 9 only. So this is the answer. So what is the answer? $9,899. This is the second answer. Next one, 10 less than 3029. 3029 is the given word form. We have to convert into standard form. What is the standard form of that number? 3000. 3029 means this is a 3029. So they are asking to what they given clue? 10 less than 3029. 10 less than means what? Subtract 10. So 9 minus 0 9 only. 2 minus 1 1. 0 plus nothing is 0 only. 3 plus nothing, 3 minus nothing is 3 only. So what is the answer? 3090. This is the answer. Understood children? See also. Next, see the D1. Here D1, 1000 more than the smallest 4-digit number. So what is the smallest 4-digit number? That is 1000 only, no? So what they asking? What they given clue? 1000 more than. 1000 more than means add 1000. Here see 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the answer? 2000. Up to here, understood children? See the next question. Take the base 10 blocks model that show the number 2246. So this is the thousands blocks. This is a thousands blocks. This flat is 100 block. Hundreds. 100 flat. So here this is a rods. They given 4 rods, no? This is 4 rods. This is units. So they given how many? 2000. 2000. Here the number they given 2246 means 2000 means how many? 2000 blocks? 2 blocks. And next, how many flats are? 200. 200 means 2 flats. This is a block space. So this is a blocks. Next 200 flats. 200 flat means this only, no? And next 46 means 46 means the next number is 4, no? 4 means how many rods? 4 rods. These are rods, no? 4. Next 6 units means this is 6 units, no? So what they asking again? I'll read the question. Take the base 10 block model that shows the number 2246. This shows in the which option is this one? 2000 blocks, 200. Here they given 300 flats, no? This is wrong. Next one, here only they given second one. They given only 1 to 1000 only. So see the next option. So here see the next one. 2000. Here only one block, no? This is 2. This is 100. Here they given so many rods, no? In that rod, how many? 100 is equals to 10 rods, no? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means this 10 rods is equals to 100, no? So this is a 200. Next they given 4 rods. Here 4 rods and 6 units. So we get no this option. So that is, so they asking to tick, no? So here see that model shows this model shows the 2246 number, no? So tick this number. So understood children? So today class is finished. Thank you children.